Welcome to the Sisense Narratives tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at Sisense Narratives and how you can leverage natural language generation, or NLG, to make your data and insights more accessible. NLG refers to textual descriptions of your data explained in natural, everyday language, simplifying complex data analysis. But Sisense Narratives is more than just a description. It calculates your data and generates text-based insights, making it easier for you to reach decisions faster. The data is always synchronized with the data displayed in your widgets. When the data changes due to filter changes, for example, or data refresh, the narrative text is also updated. Sisense supports narration for many of our widgets, including pie charts, column charts, bar charts, and many more. For the full list, see our online documentation. Sisense Narratives is part of the Natural Language Package and requires a separate license. For more information, contact your CSM. If you have the Natural Language Package, your administrator can enable Sisense Narratives from the system settings in the admin console. After your administrator has enabled Sisense Narratives, you can activate it for individual widgets in Edit Mode or Designer Mode on the right side below your filters. To activate it, just toggle the switch and you can begin to customize the narration. For example, you can decide where you want to display the narration, above or below the visual. What format the narration should be in, paragraphs or bullets. How much text should be included. How do you want to label your dimensions, in singular or plural? This is important to make your narration sound as natural as possible. What is the sentiment you want to apply to changes in your data, positive or negative? For example, high sales would be positive, while high turnover would be negative. How should your data be aggregated? Once you define these, you're all set. The next time your dashboard is opened, the narrated text is displayed. To make sure all your narrated text is displayed and easy to read, you can resize the widget or its narration as necessary. Resizing a widget with narration is just like resizing any other widget. Resizing the narration must be done from within the widget. If your narration is still too long, Sisense will truncate it and display the remaining text when a user clicks the show link. If you export your dashboards to PDF reports, you can configure the Sisense to include or exclude the narrated text in your report from the PDF report settings window. For more information about Sisense Narratives, and to see some more examples, check out our online documentation.